I am Nisha Sindhi and I am taking 5th standard English subject. Today's topic is lesson number 3, My Mother. Let us continue our lesson, My Mother. Poor little thing, cried one of the women, putting her arms around Varya. She is lost. All this only made Varya cry more, and she longed for her mother. Poor little thing. One woman putting her arms around Varya and said, all this only made Varya cry that she is lost. She told to Varya, your mother is lost. All this only made Varya cry and she longed for her mother. little girl, what is your name? What is your father's name? What is your mother's name? That woman is asking her, little girl. She is asking to Varya, what is your father's name? What is your mother's name? Please tell me the. Now she is asking to Varya, what is your parents' name? What is your father's name? What is your mother's name? Finally, Varya sobbed out, my mother is the most beautiful woman in the world. Now, finally, Varya told what she told. She described her mother as, my mother is the most beautiful woman in the world. She described her mother as a most beautiful woman in the world. All the men and women clapped their hands. The tallest man called Kolya with the booming voice and said, then near all the men and women standing there clapped their hands because she described her mother most beautiful woman in the world. By hearing that, all the men and women clapped their hands. The tallest man called Kolya with the booming voice and said, here one of the tallest men standing there, his name is Kolya with the booming voice and said, now we have something to go on. Bring Katya, Manya, Nadia, and don't forget the beauty Lisa. What the tallest man Kolya told, he said, now we have to do something. So bring Katya, Manya, Nadia, and don't forget to call the beauty Lisa. As each beautiful woman came running. Now, these were the names of the women. All the each beautiful women came running. Kolya told them all to stand back while Varya told them which one was her mother. Now, now Kolya told them to stand, all stand here, back. Now stand back while Varya told them which one was her mother. Varya looked at each one and sobbed her heart in disappointment. Now Varya looked at each one's face. She looked all the women standing there. She looked there, but she sobbed her in disappointment. Disappointment means the feeling of being unhappy because something that you hoped for or accepted did not happen. Soon every beauty from village had come, but not one of them was Varya's mother. All the beautiful ladies came there, but no one of them is Varya's mother. Just then a breathless, excited woman came puffing up to the crowd. Now one woman, breathless, excited woman. Breathless means breathing very hard or fast. Breathless woman came in the crowd. Her face was big and broad. That woman's face was big and broad. Her body even larger. Her eyes were pale and her nose was a great lump. Her mouth was almost toothless. Varchika cried, this woman. Now this woman came, beautiful woman came in the crowd. Her body even a larger, Her eyes were pale and her nose was a great lump. Her mouth was almost toothless. Varchika, cried this woman. Now this woman cried and called Varchika. Momchika, cried the little girl, and they fell into each other's arms. Now, finally, Varya found her mother. Now she cried, Momchika, with a Momchika, cried the little girl, and they both fell into each other's arms. Varya looked up with joy at the men and women. Now Varya is happy. Now she is looking with joy to the to all the men and women standing there. This is my mother. I told you she was the most beautiful woman in the world. Now Varya told to all, this is my mother. I told you she was the most beautiful woman in the world. The group of men and women smiled at each other. Kolaya repeated that the proverb they all knew so well and which the little Varya had just proved. Now all the men and women smiled by looking each other. Kolaya repeated the proverb that we all know so well, but the little girl has proved it right. We do not we do not love people. We do not love people because they are beautiful, but people are beautiful because we love them. We do not love people because they are beautiful, but people are beautiful because we love them. This proverb little Varya proved right. Now let's do some of the exercises. Fill in the blanks. First one, the events of this story took place in dash. Answer is Russia. Second one, Varya's parents were dash. Answer is farmers. Third one, Varya's father used a dash to cut the wheat. Answer is scythe. Fourth one, Varya's mother gathered wheat into dash or dash. Answer is sheaves or bundles. Fifth one, after harvesting, the wheat was ready to be taken to dash in wagons. Answer is threshing barns. Threshing barns. Now let's see some of the answer the following questions. First one, what were the names of Varya's parents? Answer is Ivan was the name of Varya's father and Marfa was the name of Varya's mother. Second one, why did Varya's father often call her a little slowpoke? Answer is Varya's legs were short and she had to run and skip to keep up with her parents. Third one, what did Varya do on very hot days? Answer is Varya used to rest on the warm ground on very hot day. Varya used to rest on the warm ground on very hot day. Fourth question is, what did Varya find after waking up in the wheat field on one hot day? Answer is Varya wake up in the wheat field one day and find that her mother ha- was now nowhere to be seen. Varya wake up in the wheat field one day and find that her mother was nowhere to be seen. Fifth question, could Varya tell her parents' name when she was asked? Answer, Varya could not tell her parents' name when she was asked. Could Varya tell her parents' name when she was asked? Varya could not tell her parents' name when she was asked. Sixth question is, how did Varya describe her mother? Varya described her mother as the most beautiful woman in the world. Fill in the blanks with the correct words. We must drink plenty of dash. Answer is water. I dash late for the exam. Answer is was. I was late for the exam. Third one. She dash a new dress for her birthday. Answer is wanted. She wanted a new dress for her birthday. You must study hard to dash for the exam. Qualify. You must study hard to qualify for the exam. Fifth one. She has to dash her uniform now. Answer is wash. She has to wash her uniform now. For each sentence, choose the correct adjective from the brackets. First one, the street was so dash that the car could not turn properly. Answer is narrow. The street was so narrow that the car could not turn properly. Second one, my shoes were so dash that my feet started hurting. Answer is tight. My shoes were so tight that my feet started hurting. Third one, sandwiches made from dash bread don't taste nice. Answer is stale. Fourth one, the teacher is happy when the class is quiet. The teacher is happy when the class is quiet. Fifth one, do you want dash water? Answer is some. Do you want some water? It's time to take the homework. Read and write all the question and answers. Write in your English homework notebook and send on WhatsApp. Thank you.